Welcome to Flow-Based Code. Let's see how to use the team tab on the project dashboard template. So here you have the team. So I'll just try to go and click the team tab over here. So on the left hand side, you have the guide. Like you can see the complete instructions on how to use this particular teams tab. Then below you can see you have the shortcut buttons like back to home, and then like you can see like view your database, and then like employee form. You can just try to see it. And then you have the complete navigation menu over here. Then here you can see you have our community and who are all going to be your employees. You can completely list down on all the details. You can just try to maintain from here. Then you have the partners who are going to be your partners, and then who are going to be your investors. All these details you can completely have it over here. Then on the right hand side, you can see you have the overview. So here you have the people statistics, like total how many departments we have, total investors are how many, total partners, total leaders, and total employees are how many. So everything you'll be able to see it. Then we have some other actions buttons over here. Then below this one, you have the detailed view of your complete team. So all the people, you have the complete detailed view, like the address, when they have joined, and all these things you'll be able to completely see it. And they are linked with which project, that also you'll be able to completely track from here. Then by department, you can see like executive level IT department, how many people are there on each and every department, you can see it. And also by project, who are all working for this particular project. So like that also you can just try to completely see all the people who are working on a particular project over here. So this is about the complete team tab on the project dashboard template.